Hello, my name is Alan Kramer. I'm a Senior Applications Engineer here at Stratasys. Today I'm going to talk about some of my favorite features about the F370CR printer. Here's a build of TPU parts with soluble supports on. Really speaks to the size and complexity of parts that you can get out of this printer. We're going to change over to nylon CF10 material. So I'm going to put a build tray in. And if you follow me into the machine a little bit closer, you'll see just how easy it is to unload one material and switch to another. So on the touch screen, I'm going to select unload, and the TPU material will unload from the head, and we'll load the other material on the other side bay. It's a very low mass head, very fast warm-up procedure, and as you see there, within about 30 seconds, we're unloading one material, and we are ready to load the other. And each of the spools has a simple holding feature molded into the side of the spool. Makes it really convenient to latch the material in. Now if you follow me up top to the gantry area, now that material is unloaded from the TPU head, I'm going to take the head out and show you just how quick and easy it is to change. Here's the filament feed tube, here's the head power cable, and tool-free cam mechanism. So just that easily, I've taken out the head and I'm going to install the nylon CF10 head. Repeating that procedure, locks in with a really nice positive feel. Connect up the head cable and the filament feed tube. Just that easy, we are ready to load material. And just like with the unload procedure, we have about 30 seconds to heat up that head and load the new material. In this bay, you could run another spool of TPU material if you had a larger job to run, and it would automatically change over from one material or one spool to another. But in this case, we just use it as a storage bay to store the next material that we want to run. So now we're going to load in the nylon CF10 material. And now it's heating up the head, loading up to the head. There we go. It's just that quick and easy. You hear the material feeding in. Head is heating up. Within a matter of 30 seconds, that material will reach the nozzle. It will purge out and be ready to go. So it really speaks to the versatility and the ease of use. I didn't need any tools. I didn't need a step ladder. Very fast and user-friendly.